After this recipe, you will only want to eat ground beef like this. For this recipe, we'll need 2 onions. Cut them in half and then slice them. Tell me how you make ground beef in your house. I'd love to know your recipe. Now put the onions in a baking pan and spread them well. Next, pour olive oil over the onions. In a bowl, add 500 grams of ground beef, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, paprika to taste, dried parsley to taste, 3 garlic cloves, nutmeg to taste, and mix everything very well with your hands. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Juliet Crusaris from Cyprus. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. Next, take a certain amount of it and mold into a ball shape like this, and place it inside the pan over the onions. Keep going. You guys, this recipe is incredibly delicious. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you'll love it. Now grate 1 hard-boiled egg over each meatball like this. Take 350 grams of potatoes and grate them. Then squeeze the grated potatoes to release all the water and add them on the meatballs. After that, add grated mozzarella. To finish, add mayo like this. And bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And our recipe is ready! Look how delicious it is! I hope you liked this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!